Place the equipment of this product on the flat ground according to the identification of the packing box. Gradually remove the top foam shielding plate according to the identification of the top cover packing box. The laser has the optical fiber cable connected to the welding head. Please take it out carefully to ensure that the bending radius of the optical fiber armor cable is greater than 175 mm. Remove the foam shield and take out the accessories. Please check the accessories according to the packing list. Please keep all unpacked items properly to prevent future transportation or storage. Installation and operation demonstration of handheld laser welding machine. 1. Install armor cable rack, including hexagon socket countersunk head screws, 8 pieces. 2. Install the welding head rack, including hexagon socket countersunk head screws, 4 pieces. 3. Connect it to 220 volts power supply. 4. Connect 6 mm air pipe to gas and air inlet. 5. Connect the 5-pin aerial plug into the feeder port of the handheld welder. 6. Connect it to loose safety lock. 7. Open the cylinder. 8. Check the operating environment of the handheld welding machine, whether there is foreign matter at the air outlet of the welding machine. 9. Turn on the power switch of the handheld welding machine and check the status indicators of the welding machine operation panel. 10. Turn on the power switch of the wire feeder and check the indexes of the operation panel of the wire feeder. 11. Check the model of wire feeder wheel, or install or replace. 12. Installation of welding wire and wire feeding wheel assembly. 13. Install the wire reel and manually send the welding wire out of the wire guide tube. 14. Installation of wire feeding frame and a welding head. Thread the wire guide tube through the knob and fix it, and lock the jacking wire at the same time. Install the wire feed nozzle. Lock the top wire of the wire feeding frame. Adjust extension tube to the focus position and select the appropriate wire feeding copper nozzle. Tighten the fixing screws of the wire feeding frame. Adjust the wire feeding movable frame to the middle part, and adjust the length of the wire feeding pipe to near the wire feeding copper nozzle. Lock the angle screw of wire feeding frame. 15. Clamp the safety lock. Check the copper nozzle, protective mirror, and the spot shape of the welding head, and adjust the spot position to the center. 16. Open the gas cylinder and adjust the gas flow to 15 liters per minute. 17. Adjust the welding parameters. Building multiple parameter modes. Directly select to automatically match the best parameters. Turn on the laser enable and wire feeding enable. Turn on the power supply of wire feeder and set the wire feeding speed. 18. Wear masks, protective glasses, and gloves for welding.